Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are UXSE UNAM team. We are here to help fishermen, fish agents, peddlers, and to give guarantee that the fish they sell will sold out every day, and to give guarantee to consumers that they will have fresh fish every day they want. According to Indonesian Central Statistic Agency and Marine and Fisheries Ministry, conveyed that there are 576 fishing ports spread all over Indonesia, which produce up to 8.17 million quintals every year, with total value of 132 trillion rupiah. And the amount of fish consumption in Indonesia is 56.39 kilograms per capita per year. There are various stakeholders in the fish circulation cycle in Indonesia. First, fishermen with various level of production capacity ranging from fishermen with traditional to modern equipments. Second, fish port, which is a place for selection and distribution center for fish and other aquatic biota. Third, fish agents are companies or individuals who buy fish from fishermen in large parties and then resell them to retailers, including peddlers. Fourth, peddlers is a traveling fish trader who peddle his wares to various residential areas. And fifth, consumers are the last chain in the fish circulation cycle in Indonesia. Generally, to get fish for consumption at home, consumers usually buy fish at the market or peddlers as retailers. Not all fish sold by these retailers are fresh fish produced by fishermen on that day. If there are fish that are not sold the previous day, the fish will also be sold on the day. This causes customers to be very careful in finding fresh fish for family consumption because not all fish available in the market are fresh ones. On the other hand, peddler fish retailer as small business actors will bear the risk that if their commodities are not sold out today, the price of their commodity will decrease tomorrow because they not longer be considered as fresh fish. Likewise, fishermen as the front line in the circulation of fishery commodities are also not free from the risk of not meeting the fish criteria needed by the market at that time. This can happen considering that fishermen will catch fish according the availability of fish in the sea without paying attention to the type of fish that is in accordance with market demand. Then, how is the solution model offered by ICANA to provide guarantees to consumers, agents, and peddlers? Well, in this application, there are three types of users, namely customers as buyers, agents as partners, and peddlers as couriers. First step is to log in as a buyer in the Ikana application. Click the fish order menu, then choose what fish to buy. After selecting the fish, the tiles of the fish will be presented as the name of the fish, price, shelf life, and nutritional content. Then enter number of fish to be ordered, then add to basket, and complete the buying process. On the other hand, it's possible to add a plan for weekly fish orders. When Add Basket is clicked, all the order details and the price you enter into the basket will appear. At this stage, you can also enter the delivery address of the fish. Then your order will be confirmed by the agent regarding the availability of the fish order. First step for an agent's account is to log in as an agent in the Ikana application. After logging in, then agents will be able to make such a transaction when a new order comes. The home page will display a notification order from the closest buyer users. Next, click the tiles to view the details of the order. If the agent wants to accept the fish order, the agent can click the accept button, and when the agent cannot fulfill the fish supply from the fisherman every day, the agent can click the cancel button to forward it to the other closest agent from the buyer user. After receiving the order, the agent will recap all fish orders from the existing buyer user. Then the agent will coordinate with the existing fisherman to provide the fish. This process is done offline outside the system. This is because agents usually already have their own fisherman affiliation. And while fishermen are unable to communicate while they are at sea. When the fish is available in the next day, the agent can click the forward order button to the peddler so that it can be delivered to the buyer's user according to the address. Like buyer and agent, peddler or courier has to log in as a peddler in the Ikana application. After logging in, notification will appear in home when an order had forwarded by agent's closest. Next, click on the details to see the details of the fish order. If the peddler wants to accept the fish order, the peddler can click the accept button, and when the peddler feels that he doesn't and vice versa, peddlers can click the cancel button to forward it to the other closest peddler from the agent. After accept the order, the peddler will deliver the fish order according to the existing buyer's user address. When the peddler finishes delivering the fish, the peddlers can click the finish button. When the buyer user has saved the fish they ordered, click the finish button to provide feedback to the agent and peddler who delivered. And last, we hope this will help to boost economy of the Indonesian people who are in the fishery circulation in Indonesia. That's all our presentation. Let's eat fish. Don't drown. Thanks for watching.